Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool product right here that's kind of like a humidifier that you guys can use on the go or anywhere, like in the office, car, whatever the case may be. You guys can bring this on the go as long as you guys have a slot to actually plug it in. So first thing first, let's actually open it up and show you what it actually looks like and what comes inside the package first. So pretty much what's inside the package is an instruction guide on how to set up the product. They have instruction in Chinese and English. They provide you some cotton cord that you guys can use, and they provide you two the short ones, two long ones. One right here and the other one's inside the product itself already. And then right here they provide you a micro USB to USB cable, and then here's the actual product itself. So if you guys look right here, we have the slot where it's actually would turn on the product and plug it in. So it uses a micro USB cable to actually power it up, and you guys can press it to turn it off and on. So right now it's actually not on because it's not plugged in. So we're gonna actually plug it in and test out and show you guys how it works. But before I do, let me show you guys this part right here. So this part is where the humidifier will actually start working. So the smoke will come out of from here. So it's like a little donut, which is pretty cute. When you guys put this into like a water bottle or like something to actually hold it, they suggest that you put up to 90%, so roughly around somewhere around here, for the product to work correctly. So let's actually test it out first to actually see when it actually works and how it works, and come back talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the product. Let's test it out and see how it works. So all you have to do is just press the button once you plug it in and it starts working. You guys can see there's actually a lot of steam that's coming out of the product, and it's actually quite strong. Like how portable this product is quite amazing, and the fact that you guys can actually extend it to a longer distance or shorter one. So right now we're using the shorter one. You guys, when you need a longer one, you guys can use that as well for like probably like a water bottle or something. Then you can use the option as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that it actually does work, and it's actually pretty amazing how it works. So as a first-hand perspective though of this product, would I say that's actually worth it? Honestly, I have to say that it's quite worth it, but for the price range it's a little bit expensive, especially for a lot of you guys who might not even want this. But it's not like a humidifier where you guys can't bring it on the go. Like this one you guys can actually bring it on the go like anywhere you guys want. Office, car, home, or if you guys want to bring it on traveling, wherever the case may be, as long as you guys have a slot to actually plug in the cable and have a water bottle or something to actually generate the water to come out of the device, then you guys can actually use it. So I guess from that perspective of what is actually on this product and how portable it is, I would say that it's actually worth it. But like I said earlier, we can actually test it out a little bit more for a week or a month, and then kind of give you guys the actual feedback of whether or not it actually still works and how it works and whether or not it's actually helpful or not. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have